Hello and welcome to this guided therapy session, an integrated journey of meditation, hypnosis, and deep rest. As you listen, allow the sound of the water to help you settle, to soften your body, and to ease your mind. This is your time to release tension, to dissolve anxiety, and to invite a deep restorative sleep. You're safe, you're calm, you're supported. You deserve this calm, this renewal, and quiet night of healing. Now gently close or half close your eyes if that feels right for you. Let your gaze drift inward. Take a slow, smooth breath in through your nose. Fill your lungs and exhale softly through your mouth. With each breath, imagine the water outside, a sound of the ocean, becoming a mirror for your breath. Inhale your draw in a calm. Exhale your release tension. You draw in calm. Exhale, you release tension. With each wave, you draw in calm. Exhale, you release tension. With each breath, inhale, you draw in calm. Exhale, you release tension. As you continue to breathe, notice your body where it rests. Start with your feet and ankles. Feel them grounding you to the surface beneath you. With every exhale, allow any tightness to melt away. The rain continues to wash over you, and the sound of the water taking all the worries of the day, all the stress just washes away and taking it away. And with it comes a sense of gentle cleansing, as if every droplet carries a tiny vow to release what you no longer need. Guide your attention up your legs, through your knees, into your thighs. Soften the muscles, loosen the grip of fatigue. Let the rain rhythm drift through you, and each wave of the ocean and a drop of the rain into the ocean, slow and steady, a lullaby for your nervous system. If thoughts drift by, acknowledge them with a nod, then return to the feeling of the sound of the rain drops into the ocean, and the sound of my voice guiding you deeper and deeper. Now bring awareness to your hips and pelvis. Let go of any held patterns there. As your hips soften, your spine lengthens slightly, aligning with a natural, comfortable posture. The rain's cadence becomes your current, and your breath becomes the boat that carries you toward deep deeper rest. The sound of the wave, the ocean, and the drops of the rain into the ocean, soothing and calming, and soothing and calming, taking you into the deeper and deeper rest with each drop and each wave. Move your attention to your abdomen. Notice the rise and fall of the breath. Each inhale drawing in a sense of safety. Each exhale releasing tension and worry. With every exhale, feel a fraction lighter, a fraction more at ease. The rain outside seems to message your torso with a cooling, cleansing touch. Each wave of the ocean, washing away residual stress from the day, taking you deeper and deeper into relaxation. Restful moment, restful moment. It's a calm feeling. It's a soothing feeling. Feeling of joyful, deep, relaxed sleep. Shift your awareness to your chest now and shoulders. Allow your shoulders to drop away from your ears. If any tightness remains in the chest or arms, soften it with your breath. The rain rhythm acts as a gentle metronome. Each wave of the ocean guiding your breath to slow and deepen, slow and deepen, slow and deepen. Now let your arms rest loosely at your sides, your hands in a natural relaxed position. Feel the warmth of your skin, the quiet hum of your body, and the soft cadence of rain as you're breathing. Each wave of the ocean relaxes your mind, taking all the worries away. Each wave and each drop of the rain relaxes, taking you away to the deep relaxation and a deep, restful sleep. You're allowed to let go. You're allowed to rest. You're allowed to let go. You're allowed to rest. Let go all that no longer serves you. Let the rain and the ocean wash everything away that no longer serves you. Direct your attention to your neck and jaw. If you feel tension there, release it with a longer exhale. Your jaw unclenched. Your tongue rests gently in your mouth. The rain sound becomes a comforting layer, protective blanket around your thoughts, protective blanket around your thoughts. Each wave of the ocean soothing, relaxing, and washing away, soothing and relaxing, and washing away with a calm, restful, gentle sleep. Face soft, Eyes gently closed to lower. Forehead smoothing, temples relaxed. You can imagine and visualize the rain continuing to cleanse each wave of the ocean, cleanse each drop of the rain, cleanse not only your body but your mind with every breath. Imagine the drop of the rain dissolving into the ocean and taking away any remaining knots of anxiety. And each wave of the ocean washes away any blocks in your subconscious, washing them away like leaves carried down the stream, washing them away. Now in the quiet space we begin a gentle hypnotic descent to struggle only ease. With each inhale you draw in the calm, safety and strength. With each exhale you let go of doubt, worry and resistance. Your nervous system relaxes, your mind opens, your heart softens. With each drop of the rain, you cleanse all that no longer serves you. With each wave of the ocean, everything that no longer serves you washes away. I invite you to imagine a stream of rainwater flowing over your head. It travels down your face, relaxing every muscle along the way. It continues down your neck, shoulders, arms, and hands, cleansing as it goes. The rain then travels along your chest and abdomen, washing away tension you may not even have realized you were holding. It moves down your spine, aligning each vertebra in comfortable ease. Then travel down your legs to your feet. Then rain leaves you feeling lighter, clearer, and more serene with every pass. You hear each wave of the ocean, knowing that it washes away all that no longer serves you. As all these waters, cleansing rain and waves of the ocean flows in your mind, the sound, the visualizing, rain in the ocean flows through your mind. As this cleansing rain flows through you now, know that your subconscious mind is listening and responding in its own way. Any old patterns of fear or tension that no longer serve you can begin to dissolve. You're safe to release them now. Each droplet is a tiny key unlocking a smoother path toward rest, renewal, and restful deep sleep. Now I invite a deeper relaxation of your body and your sensory system. Picture your environment becoming softer, more luminous. The rain outside dampens into gentle crunch of droplets and into the ocean. And each wave of the ocean takes away all that no longer serves you with a deep relaxation of your body and your sensory system, all becoming softer, more luminous. The rain outside dampens into a gentle crunch of droplets, and the atmosphere hums with a soothing glow. You feel a warm, comforting weight setting around you, like a blanket that supports every contour of your body. It is a deeper state, allow you breathing to slow further. Inhale for a comfortable count of 4. Hold for a count of 4. And exhale for a count of 6. Or more if that feels natural to you. Let your exhale be longer than your inhale, guiding your nervous system toward a state of tranquility and rest. If you notice any urge to wake or to move, acknowledge it calmly. Continue to breathe, returning to the rhythm you have chosen. It's your time now. It's your time to rest now. As you drift, you may notice a sense of weightlessness in your limbs. You become aware of any sensation in the feet or hands. Simply observe them with curiosity and release them as the rain continues dropping into the ocean and the waves of the ocean continue cleanse and soften and relax and wash away all that no longer serves you. Now engage the rain countess practice in your mind. Each drop of the rain goes and dripping into the water and the sound of the ocean. Now engage the rain counting practice. In your mind, softly count each drop as it lands. As it lands now into the ocean, you hear the drop. And now, 1 drop, 2 drops, 3 drops, each one in a tiny moment of cleansing. With every count, imagine that drop dissolving something you no longer need. A worry, a fear, a memory that pins you in tension. See it melted away, washes away into the ocean with each drop of the rain, like a mist at the edge of the rain, and just washes away with each wave, each drop of the rain into the ocean, washes away, melts into the ocean, washes away with each wave of the ocean. As the next drop lands, you can visualize or picture they carried away a fragment of negative energy from your subconscious mind, tension dissolving. It's loosening. It's loosening. Anxiety is loosening. All blocks are releasing their grip. Each drop is clear signal to your system. This is the moment to let go. And with each drop, replace what it washes away with a gentle, positive quality, a sense of a safety, a shield of calm, a sense of safety, a shield of calm, a sense of safety, a shield of calm, a spark of confidence, a breath of ease. Let the rain not only cleanse but also renew. Each wave of the ocean renews. Negative patterns recede and positive soothing states take their place. Positive soothing states take their place. Continue this rain counting practice, drop by drop, into the ocean at your own pace. If a thought intrudes, acknowledge it briefly, then return your attention to the rhythm of the rain and the counting with each drop into the ocean. Now, with every inhale, invite calm. With every exhale, release. The rain continues to serve as your cleansing companion. With each drop into the ocean, clear away what no longer serves you, and planting a fresh interior space for peace, resilience, and a deep rest. Now deepen the sense of safety and sleep. The rain guidance slows even further, and your body sinks more deeply into the surface beneath you. Your breathing becomes slower, deeper, and more regular. Each breath draws in safety. Each exhale releases residual tension. Your mind quiets, ready for deeper processing, dream landscapes, and restorative sleep. I will now guide you toward a gentle bedtime conditioning. Feel a warm, comforting weight setting around you, like a blanket that supports every contour of your body. Your eyelids grow heavier, but you remain aware, present, and centered in the moment. The rain sound supports you, each drop into the ocean, each wave supports and waves and washes away, not as a destruction, but as an ally keeping you grounded in the here and now. If you notice any remaining areas of stiffness or tension, gently invite them to soften with the next exhale. Allow your shoulders to drop further, your jaw to unclench, your belly to soften, and your legs to rest heavy and relaxed. Each area of your body yields to the rhythm of the rain and the pace of your breath. Now imagine the path of the rain from the ceiling of sky facing and tracing a soft line down your body, ending at your toes. Each segment of the path invites a deep relaxation, deeper cleansing, and deeper sleep readiness. Deeper sleep readiness. The rain gentle descents become the cradle for your entire being, supporting your transition into sleep. As you rest here, your subconscious reclaims its calm. Your nervous system aligns with a restorative rhythm. And the mind prepares to process and integrate experience from the day in a safe, soothing environment. Trust this process. You're safe. You're supported. You deserve the deep, peaceful sleep. The rain guidance slows even further, and your body sinks even more deeper into the surface beneath you. Your breathing becomes slower, deeper, and more regular. Each breath draws in safety. Each exhale releases residual tension. Your mind quiets, ready for deeper processing, dream landscapes, and restorative sleep. I will guide you towards a gentle bedtime conditioning. Feel a warm, comforting weight settling around you, like a blanket that supports every counter of your body. Your eyelids grow heavier, but you remain aware, present, and centered in the moment. The rain sounds support you with each drop into the ocean. Each wave relaxes and washes away all that no longer serves you, not as distraction, but as an ally keeping you grounded in the here and now, knowing that you're safe here, you calm, it taking you into the deeper sleep, takes away all the tension, gently invites you into the deep relaxation and a deep restful sleep. Each area of your body yields to the rhythm of the rain and the wave of the ocean and the peace of your breath. The rain gentle drops into the ocean just has become a cradle for your entire being, supporting your transition into the sleep. As you rest here, your subconscious reclaims its calm. Your nervous system aligns with restorative rhythm, and the mind prepares to process and integrate experiences from the day in a safe, soothing environment. Trust this process, knowing that you're safe, you're supported, you deserve this deep, calm, peaceful, restful sleep. When we awaken briefly during the night, bring your attention back to the rains written, each drop into the ocean. Each wave takes away all that no longer serves you. Your breath and the sense of safety you cultivated here allow the tranquility to expand again and drift back into the sleep. Now you carry with you the sense of calm through the entire night, safety and renewal that the rain has gripped into you this moment. Each drop into the ocean relaxes, makes you feel even more safe and relaxed. Each wave of the ocean washes away all that no longer serves you. With every drop, I release what no longer serves me. With each wave, I welcome a calm, safety, and renewed energy. With every drop of rain, I release what no longer serves me, and I welcome calm with each wave of the ocean, safety and renewal energy. With every drop of the rain, I release what no longer serves me. I welcome calm, safety, and renewed energy with each wave of the ocean. Now they carry with you the sense of calm, safety, and renewal through the night. Now allow the tranquility